So as you may recall, the test is scheduled for Monday.
Monday or Thursday?
Monday.
Well, that's like 2 days later.
Those are the two options. Blake was just playing the odds there.
Yeah. Statistics or something.
All right. So the test format, you're going to have one question where I ask you to describe the transformation in words. 2 questions where I ask you to write the equation for a sinusoid from its description. That was like what we did in worksheet 2. 2 questions where I ask you to write the sinusoid from a graph, like we did in worksheet 3. And then 3 questions where I ask you to draw the graph. Those questions will be formatted similar to the homework quiz, where I'll give you the key points and a blank for the new transform point. You just kind of do the same thing. Blake.
Is tangent going to be on the test?
Yep.
So will we construct like a tangent function?
Where would that most likely land based on these questions?
Well, but you said like a sinusoid was a sine and a cosine.
Right.
So, okay. There we go.
There you go.
Genius.
Funny that there's 3 graphing questions, huh?
Wow. Yeah, that's crazy.
Right? What 3 things would we possibly ask you to graph?
Cotangent. Cosecant.
Yes. The ones that we haven't talked about. Yeah. Clearly.
Yeah. What? I wonder what a secant graph is.
Use with asymptotes in the middle.
Now, why would it do that?
It's the reciprocal of sine. So anywhere where sine was 0, it's undefined.
Oh, that's true.
So you got, you have 2 asymptotes, and then you get like an up U and a down U, corresponding to like your up hump and a down hump. But it's going to look like a parabola in between the 2 asymptotes.
That's interesting. I didn't think about that at all.
All right. Any questions about test format? Well, I mean, like, if you're good with zeros, you don't have to take it.
I would be proud. I'm debating.
So again, like, I'll give you the key points, right? Aside from that, though, everything else is up to you guys. I get many sad pictures on math assessments over the years, so. No, that's a bad precedent. It's a bad precedent to set.
Okay, so I graphed it. I think that this is a secant or a cosecant, correct? Where it's 1 over the sine of x.
Sure.
So then, why does it disappear when it hits the y-axis?
So if you think about what this is, it's like 1 over y, right? Mm-hmm. And the values for y are between 1 and 0.
Oh, yeah.
So you can't have anything that'll get close to the x-axis because it's not getting, the denominator never gets bigger than 1.
Okay.
Right? So your fraction is 1 over a number that's close to 0.
Yeah, okay.
So
okay, yeah, that does make sense, yeah.
No problem. So the plan today, if there's no clarification questions about the test, I'm going to let you guys work on whatever is your highest priority thing to be working on. So as far as this week's problem set, you're looking at 15 to 26, worksheet 4, numbers 2, 6, and 8, worksheet 5, numbers 5 and 7, and then the review. If you run into anything at any point that you have questions on, you're free to come up and talk to me and ask individual stuff. Otherwise, I'm just going to kind of get out of the way and let you go. Amanda. Great question. Okay, so on the review, there was, I thought I had updated it. I guess I hadn't. So I have gone and updated the review. So the page 7 is now different than the previous reviews. Pages 7 and 8 have been discarded, and there's a new page 7. So you don't need to redo what you've done, just like grab the new page 7, get rid of the old pages and just replace it basically. Or if you're just starting the review and you already took a copy of it, take a new copy because I just did this yesterday. Excellent question though, thank you for asking.
Excellent question.
Everybody happy?
Yes.
Okay, well I'm gonna get out of your way then and let you